my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy, won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down.
So step 1 is the pre-color treatment. Use the pre-color treatment on dry and unwashed hair. Massage product into dry ends before coloring.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa.
Second step, mix your color. Mix developer cream and color cream. Replace applicator cup to the developer cream and tightly close. Place finger over open tip, point away from your face and shake until mixture is totally blended. And next, put on your gloves and you're ready to go. For third step, all over application, start application at the root area on dry and wash detangled hair. Using the applicator tip of the developer cream bottle, part your hair into small, even sections. Apply the color mixture to the root area until fully saturated.
Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
Immediately after the root area is completely covered, take the color mixture through your lens and ends.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down.
Massage until hair is fully saturated and color is evenly distributed.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and
develop for 30 minutes before rinsing. After 30 minutes, rinse thoroughly until all of the hair color mixture is removed and the water runs clear. Spread conditioning cream treatment through the hair and massage gently. Leave in the hair for 2 minutes and then rinse.